guys, welcome to my channel. This is my new channel, and in my channel I'm going to show you makeup, how to do makeup, like the normal basic makeups. And I'm going to do daily vloggings, and I'm going to give review on the makeup products. So let's get started. So guys, I have already done my base is already done, and I'm done with my eyebrows, so which I'm definitely going to show you what I have used for my base. So for my base I have used this Lakme invisible finish. I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, so I have used this. Actually, this is the first time I'm using this. I have used Revlon's a foundation, but Lakme I have never used. So in this lockdown I couldn't find the product which I use, so I got this one and I have used it, and I think it looks pretty good. It's pretty good on the skin, and it's actually 2 tones darker than my skin tone, this one. I will give you the link of this in the description box. And with this I have used L'Oreal's concealer. This is L'Oreal's True Match concealer. Even this is about to get over. It's almost over, guys. I have been using this for 1 year, so it's just a bit left on this. So I've used this under my eyes and on my nose tips and wherever I have scars or pimple marks and all. So I've used this too. And for my eyebrows I have used Mel's eyebrows. These 2 shades are already over because this I have been using for last 3 years, and these 2 shades are already over, so I'm just using this other shade, this one. So these 2 shades are almost already over, so that's it. So with you guys I'm going to do my I'm so sorry. With you guys, I'm going to do my lipstick, my eyeliner, my eyelashes, and definitely um, blush. Yeah, that's very important. So let's get started. So for the first thing which I'm going to use is, I have a 2 palette of L'Oreal. I mean, 1 palette of L'Oreal definitely. So this palette is a matte palette, you can see it. This is a matte finish palette, and the other one is a shimmery palette. It's both are the same colors, so you can see this. So I'm going to use the eyeshadow first. I'm going to use the matte one first with you guys. So let's get started. So I'm going to apply a gold, it's a peach color in my eyeshadow, as an eyeshadow, this peach one, this one. Okay, so I'm using my fingertips, guys. I have a brush, but I feel more comfortable with my fingers, so let's do it. So that's on my finger. Let me show you first. This is the color. It's a shimmery peach color, and it's very beautiful, guys. So I hope you guys can see it, and let me just show it to you. I'm just applying on my eyes, just seeing in my mirror so that I can apply it. Just dabbing it on, because I feel if you use the brush, when you brush it off, it goes all out, the eyeshadow. So I'm just dabbing it, guys, just applying it all over my eyelids. I'm just using one color on my eye as an eyeshadow. I'm not using any different pen colors. It's for everyone who are beginners for the makeup, or somebody at home, you are invited some guests, you have to just get ready for that. So it's just that you can use any color, but I'm preferring to use a peach color because I also have to go out, so I'm just getting ready with you guys. And then I'm going to apply my eyeliner. So you guys can use liquid eyeliner or sketch eyeliner. So today I have to go out, and if you use a liquid liner, you have to wait for some time for it to dry and all those things. So I'm going to use the sketch one, and this is from Lakme Absolute. So I'll put all the products links in the description box. You can check it out. So let me just apply it. I'm just making a simple eyeliner. I'm not making any wing eyeliner or anything like that, because I'm like not no, I'm just making it normal eyeliner. A normal eyeliner is like you just pull, you don't have to, don't never put your liner towards down, because if you pull your liner towards down, then your eyes look small and it looks dull. No, and when you pull your liner upwards, it looks opened and it looks nice. Okay, so let me apply the other one. Here, you guys. I hope this both are same. I don't know. Yeah, it's both are same. Okay, because it's difficult to look even in the camera and in the mirror too. So this is done, and then I'm going to apply blush. So for my blush, I have two blushes. This is Mua's blush. This blush is not a pink color, but it's a peach color blush. This one, let me show it to you guys. It's a peach color. I think it's looking pink here. It's same like pink, but it's actually a peach color. So I'm going to use the pink one. This is from Revlon. So let me show it to you guys. This is the one, and this shade is it's color. Okay, let me just find it out. I will put the, I think there's some number here, so I will put it in the description link if you guys want to check it out, or you want to use it for yourself and get it. Okay, you can get this product in Amazon, Flipkart and all also. So so I have a brush with me, and okay, let me just apply this. So we dust a bit so that whatever left, more, it just goes out. You do it this way and you apply on your cheekbone. So this is your cheekbone. You do it this way and apply it on your bone here. Or you can give a nice smile and you can do it. So I have not straightened my hairs, it's all messy. So here, and a bit on my nose too, to make my nose look a bit pink. So I'm done with this, and I have a highlighter, and but today I'm going to use this kind of bronze, shimmery bronzer. I'm going to use this as a highlighter. This is from Lakme. It's like, you can see it, it's over here. So I've used a lot. You can use this as a brush, sorry, blush, and you can even use this as a glitter shimmer for your face. So I'm going to use it as a shimmer for my face. So I'm going to take the same brush, tap 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 tap, to take the rest. Just apply on your, it gives a very nice shimmer to your skin. That's it, guys. Then I'm going to do my eyebrows, and sorry, I'm going to do my eyelashes. That means I'm going to apply a mascara, and this mascara is I just got it like 4-5 days back, because my Lakme mascara is over and I couldn't find any other mascara in this lockdown. So I just got some this, I'll just link it down below. This is a normal local mascara which I got from a shop, which I can find in this lockdown. So I'm going to take out the more and put it upwards. You should mascara has to be put upwards. So let me just see in my mirror. First I planned to put false eyelashes, but then I thought, no, let me just go natural. And so here it is. So I hope and then even I wanted to show you guys one more thing. And I have a stick, shimmery stick, which I got from, I don't know, I think actually the name is All Rubbed, but I have the packet of this, so I will definitely link this below. It's beautiful golden shimmer, guys. You can see this is a very beautiful golden shimmer. It's very, very, very beautiful. If you want, you can apply it as a highlighter, in your nose tips, or tip of your nose, or the bridge of your nose, and a bit on top of your lips. And I'm going to add it a bit here, so you can see it's very nice. And just rub it off. I'm just rubbing it off. This side too. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I have done with my face. It's a very normal makeup which we go out and we do it on a very daily basis. We can do it on a very daily basis. It's not like, you are going for a party wear or something, but this is a very normal, to go for a shop, or you're going for a shopping to buy something out, and you do not want to look bad, or you have not done anything, just a bit, it's a very basic makeup which you can do and just run out of your house, just it's definitely I'm going to make videos on party makeups and different makeups. But today is my first video, guys, and definitely I'm very nervous for it, because i I don't know, I'm just nervous for my first video. And I hope you guys really like the video, and please do support me, and do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please show me some love and support. And let's finish this video with a nice lipstick. So for the lipstick, I have this Color Bar lipstick, which I will link the product in the description box, so you can check it out and you can order it. And I do have nude lipstick. So this is all gone, guys. I mean, it's like, you can see, like, I've used it so much. I use it like on everyday basis. I use it every time I go out of my house. If I have to even go out to shop to buy something, I put this on. So it's almost over. It's this color. It's a very nice color. And I just put on my mascara. I put my eyebrow, I do my eyebrows, and put this lipstick and just go out of my house. So today I'm going to put this lipstick. This is a pink Color Bar. I'll link the product in the description box so you guys can check it out. So let me apply this lipstick. It's a very liquid, and once it dries it gets matte. So it's, when you're applying, it's very soft on your lips. There, guys. So when it dries it becomes matte, and when we're applying, it's a liquid, it's very soft on your lips, and it's very gentle, and it feels good when you apply on your lips. It's not like a roughness, or it's matte so you cannot apply in your lips. But yeah, it's very nice product. So you can definitely check this product out, this of Color Bar. And this product is 2 years old. I'm still using it and it's not yet over, guys. I just love it. And that's it, guys. I really hope that you liked my video. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye.